Hello, this is Yamraj from unleashiphone.com. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use the latest redsn0w. Okay, I'm using the Mac anyway, to restore an iPhone 4S back to 5.1.1. I've already downloaded the IPSW here, as you can see, okay, for my phone, and this is latest and this is the iPhone here, which I'm going to be restoring. First of all, I'm going to show you the firmware that it is on at the minute. Let's go back to that, about, and as you can see the version is 5.1.1, okay, and it's 9B206. Okay, so this video will show the whole process of storing. There will be no cut whatsoever. What I'm going to do now is put it aside here, launch redsn0w, okay, click on extra, even more, restore. You select the IPSW that you want to restore the iPhone to the respective firmware you want to. Mine, fortunately, my firmware's blob, my phone's blob is already located automatically. So for you guys who actually doesn't have their blob, okay, you can actually select that via remote or local. After that, okay, all you got to do is select IPSW, locate the firmware which you want to actually restore to, which is, for me, is going to be this one, as I said to you earlier, okay, and click on open. I'm going to open that and show you the whole process. It's going, as soon as you click next, it's going to prepare the iPhone to be restored. And now, after that's finished, it's going to send your iPhone into recovery mode. Okay, this is not a DFU mode, this is recovery mode. As soon as this is done, you will get an important message about the baseband update. It says on that, warning, if you continue, your iPhone 4S baseband will be updated to whatever Apple is currently signing, even if it isn't originally in the firmware you're restoring to. If you rely on an official unlock, this will probably cause you to lose it. Are you sure you want to continue? Mine, I have got no issue since my iPhone 4S is already factory unlocked. So I'm going to carry on and say yes. After you say yes, it's going to do its magic basically. That is it. All you got to do now is just wait until your iPhone 4S is restored to the chosen firmware, for me, which is for the iPhone 4S, which is 5.1.1. All the information is available on unleashiphone.com. Wherever there is any update or anything like that, I or one of the admin team from Unleash iPhone, we will try to make a video to show you how this is done professionally. Now, as I said to you earlier, all you got to do is just wait. I am not going to cut this video to prove you that it is a phone that's been restored to 5.1.1. For this redsn0w, you do not need any iTunes whatsoever, but iTunes need to be installed for their phone to be recognized by redsn0w. If for any reason redsn0w doesn't open on Lion Mac, on Lions, you can always using terminal to open it. For me, I'm using Mountain Lion and I have got no issue opening the actual firmware, the actual application. So I'm just changing hand because it's just painful at the minute to hold it like this. So now it's going to update the baseband now to whatever Apple is signing. Just be patient. It takes about 10 minutes or so to finish the restoring process, maybe less. There we go. When this is done, you will get a message on top here saying your iPhone is being restored successful. Click on OK, and you can click on quit now, and click on, you can close the folder as well. And what I will do is now I will try to activate the phone in front of you to show you the actual firmware again. As you can see, the iPhone is still connected and it hasn't been disconnected at all. So setting up languages. Select the country that you are in. Enable location services. So yeah, you can show that if you want. And yes, for me, I'm just going to put it to connect to iTunes at the minute. And I'm going to open iTunes here, and it's going to show me the phone there. It's trying to connect to it at the minute. And when this is done, as you can see here on the top left corner of the phone here, okay, it's already activated. And if your phone was unlocked already before you start the process, you will get this message again: congratulations, your iPhone has been unlocked. Click on continue and set up as new phone. Click on continue, and I don't tend to do this, so click on done again and click on next. On top here, I'm gonna skip this step, skip, so I can show you quickly that the iPhone has been restored successfully. I'm not gonna use Siri, so forget about it. No send, next, and as you can see, the iPhone has been restored successfully. I'm gonna go back into settings, general, about, and as you can see, it says version 5.1.1. okay, well, thank you very much for watching, and this video will be uploaded to our YouTube channel at The Unleashed iPhone. Please subscribe to us, and for any more information, link will be available. Thank you very much. Take care.